I start going to my mind.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Julsz and over here we have a good time all the time. As you guys requested, you wanted to hear Mama Julsz' side of the story, and here she is to present it.
I'm Prestige J. Hello everyone, and how are you doing? How should I start this? I'm a person who dreams things, stuff like that, whatever. So one night I was dreaming. I remember rain pour and pour and pour and pour, and you know when rain fall in Jamaica? We were in Jamaica on holiday, and when rain fall, that's my best time ever. Just make some rain start falling. I'm the happiest person. So rain was falling, and I said, you know, let me go to my bed early. For some reason or the other. So I was there dreaming something about Julsz. Say like something. I can't remember now. I won't even get into that. But the dream caused me to wake up and come out in the wet to find her. Just to make sure that what I'm dreaming, you know, nothing's like that. So can you imagine? You just dream something. You come outside in the wet to find her, to make sure she's alright, and you get what I mean? Not with anything in the back of your mind and everything, and can't find her. Everybody who was there and you asked, nobody knows where she is. Come on now. Come on now. How would you feel? In the comment section, can you please tell me how would you feel? Thank you. Yes. So back to the story. Let me have a drink. Let me have a nice drink. Cheers to you all. Happy life, prosperity, and wealth and strength. This will let me help jog my memory. So what happened from this again? So yeah, her cousin, my cousin, that I'm thinking, oh yeah, you locked together from night. So where is she? Blah blah blah. Everybody's saying, oh, we don't know, blah blah blah. Come on now. I just had this dream and got to find her, and people who should know where she's don't know. Come on man. I saw blinky stars, moony, rain shine, rainbow. Me see, what is something I like again? Me see unicorn, me see everything. I saw everything. So I started going to my mind. I was all over. I can't start to behave the way I was behaving that night.
Like a hooligan.
Because
like a hooligan. Listen. Screaming. Big hooligan.
No, listen. Yeah. Listen. I come just to show you, and you'll understand maybe how I was acting that night. You see this kind of style.
Like a big hooligan.
This is kind of style, like, you know, the real
yardie, like a real big yardie.
The yardie Jamaican thing. You don't have to ask how I was behaving. I was all over the place. Seriously, I was out of my mind. I was going. I was.
She really was. She was shouting and just going back, behaving so bad.
All she had to come and say to me.
No, don't lie. You know, I got a little friend. I'm going to see my little friend. You'd be like, which friend? Which that?
But listen, to be honest with you, when we were going to Jamaica, yeah, I was one who said to her, what if you meet someone in Jamaica? So the mere fact that I said that to her, she could have come and say something to me. Come on, man, I don't know animal. You don't know me as no animal. You can say something to me. Oh, you know what? I'm going to be going to see my friend or something. I would have done my bed and sleep nicely with the rain falling and stuff. Wouldn't go out there behaving like Jess is coming soon.
Literally. And that's what she was literally. She behaved like a tornado, hurricane, Jesus coming. The world is ending, a pandemic is brewing.
I was at 150% on top of my voice.
She was.
My
the
lungs
whole
was
district.
Like
the whole
I didn't care who was hearing and who was.
Guys, the whole district, and you know Jamaican districts, the whole district heard. Because the next day I heard, everyone heard, everybody heard.
Let me tell you something. If I even thought of it that she was with her friend, I wouldn't. But the mere fact that I was dreaming, that's what got me now. I was dreaming, and somebody with me dreaming, I swear it was. So the mere fact that I was, Tabby, I say, if I wasn't dreaming, I was in the room, I just going to say, where's Tabby, and blah, blah, blah. But I said, oh, maybe, yes. But because I was dreaming, you know me dream. You know when I dream. And that's what got me. That's how I was debating on. So I was there, I was at it. But listen, you're again to be blamed. Because when you hear me at it, she'll just come out and say, okay, you know, quiet down, man, you know, thing.
But when you saw me, you were still
you have a train going at 180 miles per hour. No, you see somebody jump off before. I shouldn't use this one, but yeah, somebody jump off before the train and you want to brake. Can you just stop suddenly? Come on.
But you know, if I had just come and said to you, you wouldn't stop, but you wouldn't have stopped. You're still going on like a lead and you're still going
I really did stop because you know I was happy that
she stopped and she walked off angrily, vexed, very vexed.
I wasn't too happy about it. Feedy, I don't think me did change much words, but you know, man, next time, anything, not that because you're married now, but anything just related to the person because it can stop a lot of things from happening. Just relate because when the person don't know, it's a thing.
Anyway, so that is Mummy's side of the story, guys. Short and spicy and sweet.
This is called Prestige J's wine, made specially brewed by me.
I hope you enjoyed Mummy's side of the story. Okay, now that you know both sides of the story, tell me who you think is wrong. In that scenario, was I wrong for going off without telling my mum, or was she wrong for coming out embarrassing me in the district of Jamaica?
Wrong because she know my dream and the thing about it.
Yeah, but we want you to tell us in the comment section who you think should be held responsible for that. Because Mummy was wrong. No matter how she thinks she was wrong.
No, you can't say that, man. You can't say, because me, I was so scared really. Imagine now, me and you gone to Jamaica and you know the things that happen. It happens all over the world, but I mean you know what happens in Jamaica. And I mean
they will tell us anyways. So yeah, as I said, that is the end of the story time, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button. Please comment, share, and turn on that bell notification. And also go over to Mummy's channel, Prestige J, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share on that channel as well. If you would like more story times, please do let us know in the comment section below. More mother and daughter time, obviously.
And the J is spelled J-A-I-I for Prestige.
I will leave Mummy's link in the description box below. But yeah, guys, as I said, thank you for watching. We love and appreciate you. And I will see you next time. Bye.